Alright, ignorant family, time for another video. Going to be 2018 taillight replacement. It is winter, so the ignorant garage has been kind of closed for business. But what we have here is the taillight of my 2018 Ram. As you can see right there, I have a crack in my taillight which has got condensation, and my reverse light's not working because it got wet and there's condensation all on the inside. Alright, so one of the first things you're going to need to do is obviously open up the tailgate so that you can get at it. This is a new tail light. You can see I picked this up. It's OEM from a place called Sipco. I got it in Markham. This brand new OEM tail light. OEM's the original manufacturer. I think it was $97, and they had a used one there that was also on sale, and that one was 60 bucks. So really decent. So one of the things that I'm going to do is I'm going to actually remove this strap. So you're going to have basically here, you've got a Torx there and a Torx there. You're going to need a 25 mil Torx to get at that. There you go. So you're going to want to remove those two. And as you can see, pretty much as soon as I've done that, the tail light itself is already coming loose. If you look at that, basically where that screws into, right here and right here, are those two spots there and there. And then if you look here, there's a couple of tabs that are new. These tabs will still be there, but this basically slides in and clips in. Alright, so to keep removing it now, we'll put it there. Basically that's loose now. You want to pull away from the truck. Comes up pretty easily. Your two connections are there. Alright, I was going to say you just have to turn them counterclockwise and the bulb will come out, but that's fine. So there's the old tail light, and you can see that there's quite a bit of water in that tail light from that small crack. I don't know if that showed up. Okay. The connection on the light here is a tab. You basically, that'll sit down in a closed position. You pop it up to open it, or to unlock, sorry, and then you press on that tab there and it'll pull away. Alright, so with the taillight removed, you have your two screw mounts there, and then basically you have these two plastic mounts right here, which slide into those two mounts on the new light. Get ready for some peeling action. Oh yeah. So fresh and so clean. Now, you want to rehook your connections in. Lock it back down. Snaps in pretty easily. replace your 2 screws. There's no torque spec on this, so like I do everything, maybe 1/8 of a turn on these particular ones, past tight. There you go. Alright, and new taillight.